Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to share another AI video how to use AI and what you can get it done with AI. In this video, I'll show you how to do data cleansing with AI, then how to build different type of analytics from AI, then building a dashboard from AI and you don't have to do anything. So let me show you. This is ChatGPT. What I have done is from start, I have written this prompt. Let me read this prompt for you. I want to make a 10 minutes video for LinkedIn where I want to teach people how they can use AI to clean data set. What I have actually given the prompt, I want so for this, I want you to give me a dirty data set of almost 300 rows, some 10 plus columns, sales data it should be for a company. Then make bullet points about this data that has to be cleaned in this data and in this and then clean this data and make clean file, keep both files, then make clean chart analytics, blah blah blah. This and this. So when I have given this prompt, what happens? Let me show you. Here it is. ChatGPT has suggested me I will use this or to use AI to clean dirty sales data, build an interactive dashboard. I'll use this title for this video and post it on LinkedIn. Then what it has done for me that it has given me a data set of 300 rows with 10 columns. See, I've created a simulated dirty sales data set with issues like this, and this is data set. Let me show you this data set. I have downloaded this dirty data set. So, sorry, this data set. This is produced by ChatGPT. I have not downloaded this from anyone. See, this has 10 columns, 11 columns with almost 300 plus rows. So, there are a lot of data anomalies. Like there are, what are the anomalies? Let me show you. I close this file and I show you the anomalies in this file. Here is a bullet points. Customer name. In the customer name column, there are blanks, null values, or spaces that needs to be rectified. In the product column, there are blank, null values, and spread product, and so on. In quantity, there are zero values are missing with one. Unit price, negative value. So total amount or error. These are the anomalies we usually face some sort of in our data cleansing, and we need to actually clean data first, then we can do any sort of analysis. So then what it has done for me, see, I have given only one prompt. Now it has cleaned the file for me and given me another file. So where is this file? This is clean sales data. And here it opens. Now see, same file, but now see, everything is completely filled, rectified, and put no null values. Everything is being replaced by something that makes sense. So data has been cleaned. Now the third step. What is that? Now the third step is video section. Now it has done. I asked to make some interactive dashboard for me. This is what it suggested me. I will make this, but then I said no. I wanted then dashboard make at least 10 different pivot charts in one sheet and add slices as well as so, but it doesn't work for this. So this file was not working. So what I asked again, I then asked again, see, m- give me an HTML dashboard and add charts and filters and interactive dashboard. See, now this is sales dashboard interactive. This has done for me. So where it is, see, this is final dashboard from this data set. Let me show you, but I have downloaded this as well. Where it is? Yes, yes, here it is. See this dashboard. There are different charts. You can see almost 10 plus charts, and there are filters. I select South region. Here it goes. I select all region. Filter by laptop. This works. I select Alico, Alice, so all the dashboard is for that. Then I use paid, pending, cancelled. So this is all about see a dashboard. You can use AI to get your daily tasks done. I am just making these videos for data analytics right now only. So let me repeat what you have to do. You have to give a prompt to ChatGPT where it is, and I just get this done in three prompts. So I hope you understand what I have done. You learn from this and you get help from this. Let me make it bigger. So I hope this AI video helps you to actually start using AI to get your day-to-day tasks automated and you don't have to do anything. You can start learning, and if you have any question, you can ask me as well. Thank you so very much. Last time the video went for 20 minutes and LinkedIn doesn't allow me to upload more than 15 minutes video. So I've tried to just make a shorter one so I can upload for you people. Thank you so much. Start watching and enjoy this.